friend, now she's so late.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm starting out another productive day in my life vlog because I just love filming these for you guys. Today is Tuesday, August 11th, and I got up, had one slice of toast like you guys saw, and then I decided to make some blueberry muffins. So if I don't make blueberry muffins, usually I'll have 2 pieces of toast because it's a little bit more filling. But I just made one because I really wanted some blueberry muffins. So now I need to, I actually want to show you guys 2 things, like a very mini haul that I got from tjmaxx. If you guys would have seen my last vlog or the vlog before, I spoke about trying to find a new journal, and I went in my weekend vlog. Actually, I'm uploading that today, so you guys, actually it's going up in 10 minutes, so good thing I looked at the time because I like to make sure everything is all good when I upload a new video. But besides the fact, I mentioned me being on the hunt for a new journal because I was using this notebook. If I can find it, it's on my desk. My desk is a mess, which is something we're gonna tackle today too. I was using just a random old notebook that I had that I actually used for school. So I wanted to get a real journal, like specifically to be used for journaling, and that wasn't used already before. I went yesterday and I found one and I love it, and I also have something else, so I'm going to show you that as well. Got a workout band, which I've been wanting for so long, and they had it at the checkout line, so I was like, oh my gosh, wow, this is perfect. So I got this, and it was literally, I think, $6. And this one is really good. It's challenging, so it's not that like of a light resistance, but it's not too hard. It's just like the perfect amount for me, and I love it. I'm so happy that I found it. If you need anything, always check tjmaxx, Home Goods, those type of stores, because they have everything for super cheap and you don't have to spend so much for it. So I got this, which I used yesterday for my workout, and I loved it. And here is my new journal. I'm literally obsessed, you guys, with this journal. It's so different, so cute and unique. It just says, the journey is the destination. I love this right here. Like, that is something I literally always need to hear, so I'm really happy with this journal. My boyfriend actually spotted it and he was like, what about this one? And I was just like, wow, that's perfect for me. So I really like that saying, because some people are so focused, including myself, on like the destination and just getting to that point already, but like I need to really stop thinking that way and be so focused on that, because the journey really is already the destination, because you are already successful like where you are, and you should enjoy, you know, the process, because it's all part of it, honestly. So this journal only has just like lines, so I can basically just write whatever I like, which I'm actually happy about that. I didn't really need it to be guided because I can easily write the same thing, like write my own template some days and fill it out that way. So I really love this, and it also has this so I can put the string wherever I left off last. So I don't know, I'm really happy with this, and I think this was maybe $4 or $5 rather than getting one off of Amazon or Target for 15 bucks. So I'm really happy that I have finally a new journal. It's so nice. I love it so much. I need to actually journal this morning. So we need to actually journal, and I need to make my to-do list. I need to get a video up, so I'm just putting you guys down. I need to move this to my bed real quick. I'm gonna quickly make today's to-do list, and then I'm gonna get my video uploaded, and then we can journal.
Your best friend, now she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now.
Here's the to-do list of the day. I'm gonna journal after I upload my video, respond to some comments. I need to clean and organize my desk. A mess everywhere, just like a mess. I need to edit yesterday's vlog, make the thumbnail. I want to work out today, schedule the upload this video. I need to schedule it. I usually do that at night. I'll schedule it for Thursday, and I want to go outside today and tan because I think it's really nice out. Let's check the weather. 86. So I just uploaded a weekend in my life vlog, so I'm very excited about it. I'm gonna answer some of the first comments and then journal.
Just forgive me for my silence.
It is journal time. So exciting, like having fresh, crisp pages, brand new. So I'm very excited. I think I'm gonna make myself a little template. So you don't need to buy yourself one that's guided when you can literally do it yourself. Two things crossed off already. The next thing I'm going to work on is editing yesterday's vlog and the thumbnail. I don't need to like completely finish it right now, but I'll get most of it done, and then in a little while I will start to clean and organize my desk area. And it is now time to clean and organize the inside of my desk because it is so messy. I have just random papers thrown. I need to really get inside here and organize so that I can feel so much better because I hate having a mess. So let's do some cleaning and organizing inside of here. Also, I just looked on Amazon, on IKEA for the Alex drawers, and I think now they're not even delivering it, I guess, to my area. I don't know. Like a couple weeks ago they were. And yeah, so if you have any other recommendations of something similar to Alex drawers that can go in this little section, please comment them down below for me. Very zoomed in, but while I'm cleaning I'm going to change my phone case. Right now I have this clear one, but it has like a lavender rim, so I'm actually going to change it for this one that's clear but it has like an olive green rim to it. And these cases are by the brand Rink. They're really good. I really love them. I'll have it linked down below if you guys are interested. I've had these cases for months now. They were sent to me and unreal. I really like them. So now got a new little case on it. Back to cleaning. I'm now putting things back more organized. I had a lot of like papers just randomly in there. I don't know.
How low can I go? I think I know.
I know it's very hard to see, but it's way neater now. The space is way more open. So over here I have my tripod, well, my bigger tripod, and then behind it I have like my blue light glasses. I have an extra charger that I have, and some sunglasses back there. Kind of in the middle I have my old camera charger. I have a case, not a case, I have a pack of film that I have for my Polaroid. But behind this white thing, this is like one of my vanity mirrors. I have another mirror behind it that's like another foldable one. Behind this, sorry, it keeps going out of focus. So on the right hand side, all the way in the back, I have like my cases, extra phone cases, the one that I just switched out. And then behind this little stack, I have my 7 days a week notepad and the other notepad that I had that I like don't use as often. And in front, I know this case is very beat up. I've had this case for a long time, but I have my iPad, I have my new journal, and I was able to actually fit my planner in here, which is great, so I don't have to have it on my desk just laying around, and it doesn't like scratch anything. It fits actually really nicely. So I have that, and then I just keep my Laneige right here in the front because I put it on every night before I go to bed. And then usually I will, once I'm done editing and stuff, I don't keep this connected to my computer the whole time. So this goes right next to my tripod. And now we just have more space. I threw out all of the papers that were just laying around that was just, I don't know, random. I don't even know. I think it was mostly from like my notepads because they would like rip off and just ended up being everywhere. And I actually put my old vlog camera in its case because I had it in here too. So it's very organized right now. So let's keep it that way. I had left my computer charging. I edited and I ate lunch, which I took a clip of what I ate, which you guys saw, but it was on my phone because, why am I still holding it this way? So I took a clip of what I ate for lunch on my phone because my camera battery was actually dying. So I ate, just cleaned up, I did some editing. What else? Oh, let's cross some stuff off my list because we need to do that. Wow, it just slides out so nicely now. Cleaned and organized my desk. I actually should, well, I'm going to continue editing and stuff, but I'm going to go to the living room and like chill there on the couch. So first I'm going to like go outside and get some sun because the weather's nice, and I like to do that a couple times a week because I haven't been able to go to the beach or anything, so that's as much sun as I'm basically getting. So, proud of myself, you guys. I finished editing this video. It is now saving. I'm gonna go and start editing the thumbnail. We're gonna have dinner soon. Oh my gosh. It's 5:55. It's really, okay, you can see it now. So now I'm about to work out. I already digested my food and stuff because we ate a while ago. I just threw on a sports bra and just like a random t-shirt. I need to pull out my yoga mat and my resistance band. So I'm gonna do this quick workout and then our list will be complete. A nice productive day, and it's about to be 8 o'clock right now, so I still have time to just have a really chill night, catch up on any more YouTube comments that I got for my new video, watch YouTube videos that I missed that people posted today. I'm also gonna probably show you guys some clips of my workout, but I'm very excited to use this. I just finished showering, doing my skincare, and I made myself some green tea. So I'm going to end off this productive vlog right here because I'm just going to relax for the rest of the night because I got everything done off my list, which reminds me I need to just cross off working out because you can't finish a day without crossing everything off your list. So now I'm going to end off the video because I'm just going to relax for the rest of the night. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. In my next video, whenever this, I think this is going up like sometime on the weekend. So probably the next video you see might be like a college vlog. I don't know yet. We'll see. But regardless, lots of college content is coming, so if you love to see that type of stuff and all my productive vlogs, then make sure you definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and leave me some comments down below so we can chat, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.